idea students, welcome back to WolfWatch. Today is Decades Wednesday and also our homecoming week. For the following week, we will have Thursday Spirit Day, wear one of your identities, and Friday we'll have Character Day, dress up as your favorite character. Now we will start off by giving you a couple highlights about what's going on in today's world.
The Dallas Police Department prepares to use drones to combat crime. The unmanned aircraft can go to dangerous situations without risking an officer's life.
Also, Mega Millions jackpot hits 1.6 million. This ties the record of the largest Mega Million jackpot ever. No one has won yet. The tickets are $2 each. Go get you one. And now we will have Angel with the weather.
Thank you, Lexus and Amari. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. A little bit on the rainy side today with temperatures in the mid-50s. But worry not, as the rest of the week will be filled with sunshine and temperatures slightly rising up to the low 70s. Wind speeds will be on the low side for the remainder of the week, staying below 10 miles per hour, so nothing to worry about. Now, back to you, Alexis and Amari.
And now we will have Brian with sports.
On this week's sports, our Idea flag football team will be playing their homecoming game against Townview this Thursday the 25th. Come support the team and show your school spirit. On other football-related news, the Cowboys will be playing the Tennessee Titans on November 5th, so all you Cowboy fans should tune in on that. Moving on to boxing. Canelo Alvarez has signed a 11-fight, 5-year, $365 million contract with DACN, a streaming service dedicated to sports. That's all the sports news for this week. Tune in next week. See ya.
10-second trivia. What candy is the second most popular Halloween candy? A. Chocolate, B. Sour candies, C. Candy corn, or D. Taffy? The correct answer is C. Candy corn. Chocolate dominates first place by a wide margin.
Thanks for watching WolfWatch. Remember to check out our website at tinyurl.com/WolfWatchIdea and read our weekly newsletters. Don't forget, next week's Halloween, so be sure to keep it real and trick and treat yourself to have some fun. Have a fantastic day.